Hello my food lovers, today I'm showing you how to make a simple and delicious pasta dish in just no time. Anyways, let's get started. I don't want to just snooze on you. Get a medium saucepan, fill it with water and bring it to a boil. Add a pinch of salt and your pasta. Let it boil for about 7 minutes until tender. While the pasta is cooking, prepare your ingredients, and these are cooking oil, butter, tomato extract, and then eggs, black pepper, a milled paprika, and then a tablespoon of parsley. Once the pasta is ready, drain it and transfer it to the pan of the mixture you've just made. Add the prepared ingredients you've made and then mix everything lightly. Let it cook for about a few minutes and allow the flavors to blend beautifully. And that is it. Your quick and taste pasta is ready to enjoy. Don't forget to just like, share, and also subscribe for more easy recipes. Yes, you don't need to just be missing. You guys, I know this is the very easiest thing you can just make at your home, and whenever you're feeling hungry, you don't have time, you don't feel like doing a lot of things to get food, try this and let me know. Anyways, that is it for now, and have a blessed day, and just stick on this channel for more knowings. Bye.